Hey there, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. We got a great question from Bill in Raleigh, North Carolina. He's got a pretty uneven and rough crawl space, and he wants to know what he can do to make it a little bit better for the plastic he's getting ready to put down. Stay tuned. Hey, Bill, we run into that a lot. We typically will have, 3/4 inch gravel in a crawl space, which is really hard on plastic. I don't care what kind of plastic you use. It's got really sharp edges, and the more you put your knee down on it, it can puncture the plastic and things like that. Then you got roots, and your contractor may even pour their concrete down in the crawl space during the build just to get rid of it. You got all kinds of stuff going on down there. So one way to protect the vapor barrier from punctures is to, I know what you're asking, you're wanting to know, can you put pea gravel down, which pea gravel is a smooth stone, which should be better for the plastic to sit on, and you're absolutely right. That is a great way to do it. You can put some pea gravel down, but if you got 1,000 square foot crawl space, that's a lot of pea gravel, a lot of back breaking work that you're gonna have to do. Plus, it's gonna be hard on your knees when you go down there because you're basically crawling around on rock. So one of the things that we do is we install our dimple membrane. Now, this was originally invented to waterproof outside foundations to allow the water to channel. By the way, this is also great if you have a lot of water coming in the crawl space. If it's sitting on the ground, it allows that water to move a little bit more freely underneath the plastic to work its way into the sump pump and the trench that you've got buried underneath it. But it's a great way to cushion that vapor barrier. You can put this over anything, and we're going to put a link down below for more information on this. But this is a great product. We call it our dimple membrane. We make it mandatory anytime we have a lot of rough crawl space. If we got a lot of gravel, things like that, it has to be installed in order to protect that plastic, okay? Because every house is different. If you're installing hardwood, all right, you don't install hardwood over the subfloor without doing some kind of prep work. And sometimes in a crawl space, you need to do some prep work in order to put that vapor barrier down. So that was a great question. And my name is Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. We hope you make it a happy and blessed day. We'll see you later.